Good day, grade 3 learners. Welcome to our lesson in English 3. Our topic for today is comprehending informational text. Before we begin, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Are the basis of our lesson for today. We have content standards, performance standards, learning competencies, objectives, activating prior knowledge. Morning class, I'm so happy to see your bright faces today. Are you ready to explore some wonderful stories and new words together? Let's dive into English. Let's review. Grade 3 Basic Sight Words Church. We have always, because, true. About, as, before, big brothers, car, close, do. Add, as, began, book by, Cory, come, dog. Always, baby, being, both call, carry, could, door. Animal, back, below, box, cold, change, country, draw. Answer, became, below, bring, came. Children, day, dream. Any, because, between, brothers, can't. City, did, drink. Lesson purpose intention. At the end of the lesson, the learners are able to A. Identify grade 3 level appropriate sight words, identify roots of high-frequency words, comprehend informational text, draw conclusions from the informational text. Lesson language practice. Read DSTEM. Ask the learners to read again the passage we read yesterday. How to wrap a gift. Do you want to make your gifts extra special? It's easy, just a few simple steps to wrap it beautifully. A little effort in wrapping can show your special someone how much you care. First, look for a box that fits the size of your actual gift. It may be a square or rectangle in shape. Next, unroll your wrapping paper and lay the box upside down on the middle of the paper. Then wrap the paper over the box to know how much excess paper you will need to cut. Using a tape, secure each side of the paper by folding it over the box until it is fully wrapped. Do this on the corners of the box as well and repeat on the other side. Finally, you may use a ribbon and paste a greeting card to make it more pleasant. Answering the questions. Number 1. Step in opening a gift. Based on the general procedure, you should look at the tag to see who it is from. Carefully remove the ribbon or decoration gently, loosen the tape or tear the paper, and finally open the box to reveal the gift. Number 2. What are the discourse markers being used? We use first, next, then, and last. How? Following steps helps. Following a procedure ensures that the task is done correctly, safely, and efficiently. It prevents mistakes, saves time, and makes sure the final result looks exactly how it was intended to look. Other ways of wrapping a gift: using a reusable gift bag with tissue paper, wrapping it in fabric like the Japanese furoshiki style, using old newspapers or map for a vintage look, placing the gift inside a decorated tin or jar. Tasks that require steps at school: solving a long division math problem, conducting a science experiment, or lining up for recess. At home, cooking a meal, we have to follow a recipe, washing the dishes, or brushing your teeth. Developing understanding of the key idea stem. Let learners express their ideas by explaining how other things are done. It may include the following: steps in proper hand washing, how to brush their teeth properly, how to travel to and from school. Steps in proper hand washing. First, wet your hands with clean running water and apply enough soap to cover all surfaces. Next, rub your hands together to make a lather. Be sure to scrub the back of your hands between your fingers and under your nails for at least 20 seconds. Then, rinse your hands thoroughly under the running water to remove all the soap and dirt. Last, dry your hands completely using a clean towel and air dryer. How to brush your teeth properly. To begin with, place a pea-sized amount of fluoride toothpaste on a soft bristled toothbrush. Secondly, hold the brush at a 45-degree angle to your gums and move it in short circular strokes across the outer, inner, and chewing surfaces of your teeth. Moreover, remember to gently brush your tongue to remove bacteria and keep your breath fresh. In conclusion, spit out the toothpaste and rinse your mouth with water, making sure to brush for a full 2 minutes. Travel to and from school. Firstly, prepare your school bag and wear your uniform before leaving the house at the correct time. Next, walk carefully to the designated pick-up point or school gate, staying on the sidewalk and looking both ways before crossing any streets. On the other hand, if you take a bus or a tricycle, wait patiently for it to stop completely before boarding or getting off. In sum, always follow the same safe route and go straight home after classes are dismissed to let your family know you are safe. Deepening understanding of the key ideas then. Here are the steps in proper hand washing. Number 1, wet and apply soap. Number 2, lather and scrub for 20 seconds. 3, rinse thoroughly. And 5, dry completely. How to brush your teeth properly. Number 1, put fluoride toothpaste on your soft bristled toothbrush. Number 2, hold the brush at 45 angles to bring gums and move it short circular stroke across the outer, inner, and chewing surface of your teeth. Number 3, brush your tongue gently. Number 4, finish and rinse. Spit out the toothpaste and rinse your mouth with water, making sure to brush for a full 2 minutes. How to travel to and from school. Prepare yourself for number 1. Number 2, walk safely. Number 3, wait patiently for the bus or tricycle. And number 4, go straight home. Generalization and abstraction. If you do not follow the correct steps or procedure, the result is usually failure, danger, or risk. Procedures are designed to ensure a specific successful outcome. Skipping even one step can change the entire result. Here is an explanation of what happens when procedures are ignored. Number 1. The result will be incorrect. In tasks like math or baking, the orders or step is vital. If you put a cake in the oven before mixing in the eggs, the cake will not rise and will not taste good. You will not reach the desired product or goal you intended. If you do not follow the correct steps for crossing the street, look left, look right, look left again, you could get into an accident. Number 3. You waste time and materials. When a procedure is not followed, you often have to start all over again. If you are wrapping a gift and you cut the paper too small because you didn't measure first, you have wasted that piece of paper and must spend more time doing the task again. On the other hand, following the steps correctly the first time is the fastest way to finish a job. It creates confusion. Procedures help everyone stay on the same page. If a team is building something and one person decides to skip step, the other people will be confused and the final object might fall apart. Evaluating learning direction. Identify the appropriate discourse markers that may be used in the dialogue below. Anna, so I've decided I'm going to go to the store and buy something for my mother. Bea, great. That sounds like a good idea. Catherine, well, you need a car. Bea, right. Anna, anyway, I was wondering if either of you would teach me how to wrap a gift. Here are the correct answers. So, great, well, right, anyway. Great job today, everyone. You listen well, share your thoughts, and work hard. Keep up the good work. See you next time.